If you're on the Mac operating system and you need to convert a bin and Q file, which I have right here, a bin and Q, which is a fairly old format, not much used anymore, but if you need to convert that to ISO or ISO, this is what you do. Go to this website here, he.fi/bchunk/, and you scroll to the bottom, and you want to grab this right here, click, and that will download. Go to your downloads, double click that, and it will open up the folder right there. It'll make one. And what I do to make this a little bit easier is just rename it. I just name it bchunk. Then I will go and open up a terminal. I have it right there, and it's in my downloads folder and then a bchunk folder. So we do cd downloads, and you want to make sure there's a space or a backslash there. So we're in the downloads folder, cd bchunk, and we are now in that folder. I will move this up so you can see that. So right in here, that's where we are. We'll go back in here and type in make, and that will generate a Unix executable. If you double click that, another one will pop up. You're going to have a bin and Q in there, but I'll show you how to do that. There's a little easier way than doing that, although it does take a bit of time, is I will get these two and I will copy them. I go in there, paste to items, and that's quite a bit to type out. So what I'm going to do is rename them to CNC. And both the bin and the Q have to have exactly the same name for this to work. And then you go back into the terminal, and we are still in here within the terminal. So you want to type ./bchunk, then whatever the bin and Q is, the bin first, cnc.bin space cnc.q. And right after that is whatever you want the ISO to be called. So we'll go with cnc.iso, then hit enter. And there you go, it generated it. And then you can double click that, open that, whatever you need to do with it. And so that's how you convert a bin and Q file into an ISO in 2026 is when I'm doing this. Thanks for watching. I hope this helped somebody. If it did help you, consider subscribing. Let me know if it worked. If it didn't, thanks for watching. Bye.